Hi, Sister Red. Happy 70th birthday, Ate Fe. My prayer for you, may our Lord God bless you with good health and long life. Ate Fe, I want you to know that I've enjoyed working with you for so many years. If ever mabigyan man ako ng pagkakataon para pumili ulit ng makakasama sa trabaho, I'm still going to choose ang mga kasamahan ko sa social action ng Diocese of Alaminos kasi doon, sa grupong yun, doon I felt the true love and harmony. Doon talaga yung masaya tayo doon. I'm sorry kasi hindi ako maka-attend ng birthday mo, but promise, hahanap ako ng way para makauwi dyan, dadaanan kita dyan. Muli, maligayang kaarawan, Ate Fe. Enjoy your day and God bless you. At kung mayroon mang kasamahan tayong dumating dyan, dumalo sa kaarawan mo, ingat kayo and God bless you all. Bye!
Happy 70th birthday, Auntie Fe Quaresma. Enjoy your special day. More birthdays to come. We love you.
Happy birthday, Mama Fe! I miss you and bless you, good health and happiness. See you soon! Maugya bilay, Mama Fe. Happy birthday. Happy 70th birthday. I love you so much. See you soon! Bali-bali cherry blossom awa. Kung makawala kayo dyan, Taiwan. That's it. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. I love you so much, Mama Fe. Happy 70th birthday to you. Enjoy life.
Hi, Mama Fe. Happy birthday. Hope to see you soon. We'll be traveling there. Man.
Yeah, happy birthday, Mape. We love you. Bye.
Say bye-bye.
Po Mama Fe, happy birthday po sa'yo. Ang wish ko po sa'yo is more blessings to come, good health, and more birthday to come. Lagi ka po mag-iingat dyan, Mama Fe, and enjoy lang po ang iyong special birthday. See you soon, Mama Fe. Bye!
Happy birthday, Ninang Fe! Greetings from Abu Dhabi! Wishing you all the best, health and happiness. God bless po always. We love you, Ninang!
Happy 70th birthday, Auntie Fe. Today we celebrate your 7 decades of life filled with grace, kindness and meaning. You are the true pillar of our family, a constant source of strength, love and inspiration. I will always cherish the memories of you sleeping over to keep us company when Mama and Papa were away in Manila. You always made us feel safe and loved. Thank you for your selfless care for everyone around you, especially the devotion you showed in caring for our late Tate, Nene and Uncle Butch during their twilight years. You are our forever, cool aunt. Please never lose that composed vibe and effortless chill style. May the Lord bless you with continued good health, overflowing joy and more incredible adventures. We love and miss you so much. Happiest 70th birthday, Auntie Fe.
Hi, Fe! Happy 70th birthday! Enjoy ka dyan! Fresh na fresh pa yung memories natin nung college tayo sa University of Pangasinan. Yung mga memories natin nung nag-graduate na tayo, nagkatrabaho pa tayo, nagkasama tayo sa trabaho sa CRS. Yung mga times na during weekends, pinapaalam mo ako kay Nanang na matutulog ako sa inyo, sa Uyong. Yung pagpupunta kayo ng bahay sa Mabini, kasama mo ang pamilya mo. Pati si kuya mo Manaya, Manaya, yung kuya mo pala wala na pala ang kuya mo, hindi ko malilimutan ang mga times na yon na kasama mo sila, mahal na mahal ka ng kuya mo, nagkakwentuhan kami noon. Fe, I wish you all the best, good health, and happiness. Fe, mahal na mahal kita. I love you so much, Fe. Hindi kita malilimutan. Fe, mwah!
Santo Siago at si kayo namin. This is Ching, wishing my dearest high school classmate and friend, Faye, a very happy birthday. Balagya salamat favorite daughter mo, ta inimbitaan tuak, sayan surprise party para sika. She's really very loving and thoughtful to do this for you. Sayang ta amis ko'y paunlad partim, balat saved by the bell tandwa agta nabunggo so bumper sinpelko. Anyway, enjoy your birthday party with your relatives, friends, and most especially with your family, your daughter Love, your son-in-law Pat, your papa husband, and the apples of your eyes, good-looking apples, Jacob and Felice. Please join me, raise your drinks and your glasses for a toast. Cheers to our dearest Faye's 70th birthday. Yay! Long live Faye.
Let it shout, let them know what you're about. Keep it moving and grooving, don't leave a single doubt that today is the day that the Lord has created. Why would I sit around just waiting? Let's have a celebration.